So when moving, so we're gonna is a T junction, and we're gonna be doing a right turning. Check your center in the right mirror, signal to the right, positioning,
Position yourself.
start putting your foot on the foot brake, start slowing down, lean your body forward and keep going slowly. Be prepared to stop. Look at your right and left and right. Anyone coming?
No.
Now, but there is a problem on the right side.
Yeah, because we're the violence.
So means we have to cut the corner a little bit, isn't it? Yeah? Before you cut the corner, look deep inside. Anyone coming?
No.
Because not only the van, you have got a scooter car parked over there.
Yeah.
So there may be a problem. But if we turn right, and if any car come, you may have to stop before Skoda to give them away though, yeah? If nobody's coming, you can go for me then. That's it, good. And keep looking the road you're turning into, slow speed, don't go too fast. Don't worry about the speeding, stay back, check all the mirrors, and gradually build up your speed. Well done, excellent work, smashing. You're doing very good. Good listening skills, by the way. Or T junction, are you doing it by yourself?
Oh.
Okay, do it by, so speak up.
Indicate, check. Come towards the junction, you slow down. Check right, then check left. Car coming. Turn to observe.
So very good. But when you joined this road, what did you miss?
My blind spot.
You're not blind spot, your mirrors.
Okay.
So because you start speeding, isn't it? So whenever you join a new road, before we make progress, what we normally do?
Stop.
Check your mirrors again before we make progress. Yeah, keep reminding yourself. Well done, very, very good. At the end of this road, I would like you to turn right, please.
No problem.
Something important, safety checks, come on, mirrors all three, and then pick up your speed, yeah?